Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I wanted to share some outgoing happy mail for Sharon over at From Cheap to Chic. I am sending her a birthday gift as well as a little Valentine. I have stuck everything in the mailer to make sure I would be able to get everything to fit, but I am going to wrap the items that are in here. So let's dig in and let me show you what I'm sending her. This is the birthday card that I'm going to be sending her way. And I'm also including this note about friendship. This is going to be her Valentine's Day treat. It's in one of these dollar store bags. I picked up one of these and I already had it, so I'm sending her these Stampin' Up! Conversation hearts. These are super cute. I like to stamp the back of my cards with these during the holiday. I'm also sending her some strawberry Lindor chocolates. I have her Valentine's Day note here, and I found the most perfect Valentine's Day gift for her. It is in this little Valentine's Day box, and when you slide it open, it says Besties. That is just perfect for Sharon and I because we are besties, and it was exactly what I was looking for. So that is her little Valentine's Day goodies. For her birthday, I made this envelope. I made a pocket letter. Let's take it apart. I did use a little Velcro dot because it's pretty thick. I used supplies from my birthday stash and decorated each one. Here are some of my Valentine's Day release dewdrops. And I tried to make each little pocket its own little story. So cute. I like how it came out. I haven't made a pocket letter in quite some time. I do find it a little difficult to make projects on the smaller sizes. I'm happy with how it turned out, and I just have this Life of the Party, and I'll be wrapping it with the twine so that it does stay closed. She had mentioned in a video that she was wanting the Valentine's Day paper pad that had the foiled cardstock. So I went ahead and picked up the 8.5 by 11 foiled, and the first one comes in these beautiful colors. It's in plastic, so there is a glare. And then I also picked up this one in these colors. This one is so pretty. It's super shiny. Hopefully she will like those. In this little happy birthday bag, I picked her up some birthday cake lip balm, some happy birthday Jelly Belly jelly beans, and I went to a candy shop that sells some Arizona specific candy, and we have the cactus candy lollipop and the prickly pear cactus candy. Sharon, I hope you have a wonderful birthday and a happy Valentine's Day. I thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye guys!